Jagoro maduong' mar riwruok mar jopuonj KUPPET Akelo Misori kwayo piny owacho mondo oket kuonde nono penj maduong' mar KCSE e kor gwenge duto ma pacho kae. Akelo Misori nowacho ni okang' ma kamano dhi konyo jopuonj ma osebedo ka dhi nyaka e boma maduong' ma Nairobi e nono penj mar KCSE, gino manyalo miyo gigam midhusi mar COVID-19. Ne owacho magi e kaunti ma Homa Bay odiochieng' ma kawuono.
Many schools have not been facilitated with the capitation funds. It is important that the government release the funds before the schools are reopened, because we don't want a situation where teachers go to school, there are health issues, there are issues related to tuition, and these issues are not being addressed because capitation has delayed or is not forthcoming. These are very, very important indeed for us. The government must ensure that this one is done. We already noted with appreciation that the cabinet secretary is saying that teachers will be facilitated to reach marking centers. But we are also aware that marking centers are congested. We would have, I would have asked the minister to decentralize marking so that at least the health of the teachers is catered for. The challenge of health, the challenge of funds are crucial for the reopening of schools. When centers are decentralized, it gives opportunity for people to have freedom of movement, and even transport is not a hitch. But now when you have to specifically coordinate these marking centers at a particular place, it only shows that there is lack of capacity in the ministry itself, that they cannot, these exams which were done from all over cannot be now administered from all over again. Are you seeing that point? So we are saying that it is important for them to be devolved so that we minimize risk of the spread of COVID as it were currently. Lack of very concrete policy, it can be accused, not necessarily the locals, because we don't train teachers to be too local, that they must teach in their villages. Teachers are professionals, and therefore transacting the business of imparting knowledge, skills, is something which cannot be zoned to a particular region. And it is barbaric for teachers to be subjected to such kind of harassment at recruitment level. What we expect the ministry, the Teacher Service Commission to develop is a clear policy on recruitment. In fact, what should happen is not what we see happening. Teachers should get their letters direct from college to specific institutions to go and teach, not to be subjected to travel to environments where people are also being subjected to some political whims. I think that is what we will not accept here.
Talking about the pandemic, it is about security for each and everyone. You know, it is my life, it is your life, it is our neighbor's life. So when we talk about ways of safety, then it is not just a government or somebody else imposing. This is our collective responsibility that all of us are supposed to participate, to take part, and to take measures. So if each and every one of us took personal responsibility, then we would arrive at a point when we are sure to a certain extent that our society, our neighborhood is safe. To what extent? That is the goodness of following and observing the protocol, the COVID protocols that are given by the Minister of Health. So not just somebody's enforcement, but for the good of the society.